Hi friends, welcome back. My name is Miss Dolan. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about counting to 100 by tens. I'm so excited, so let's get started. All you guys need today are your smart brains. And your guys' learning target is you will be able to count to 100 by tens. I can't wait to see. So let's get moving. I want you guys to go around your house and find 10 items. It could be anything. For example, pencils, coins, food items, pillows, shoes, absolutely anything. If you need help, ask an adult. You have 1 minute. Ready, set, go! Okay, I'm glad everyone is back. I hope you guys all have your 10 items. I know I do, so let's get on started. I'm going to start. I want you guys to count with me when you guys are counting your items too. So I'm going to start with 1. So everyone should pick up your first item and say 1. Now 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put them down if you run out of room. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You guys did a great job counting. I am so proud of you. So now let's move on to our next slide. And today, I told you guys that we're going to learn how to count by tens to 100. So I want you guys to just listen to me first, okay? Let's have our listening ears on. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now I want you guys to try with me, so make sure you're counting out loud. So let's start again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job, friends. Oh my gosh, our hundreds chart is back. I bet we all remember our friend, that 100s chart. So we know that we can count to 100 by ones. But I just showed you guys another way. What was that other way? By tens. So if you look on the side over here, you can count by tens all the way to 100. So let's look. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how we count by tens, and we can look on that 100 chart if we need extra help. And when we get deeper into our learning, you're going to notice that we can count other ways to 100, but we'll save that for next time. So now I want to try some together. So what comes first? I'll start first. We start with 10. And if you guys need a cheat sheet, just look up here in that right-hand corner. Now I want you guys to say the next one. Here we go. 20, good job. What's that next one? 30, great job. What's after 30? 40, good job. Oh, what's after 40? Remember, if you need help, look up here in this right-hand corner. 50, great job, guys. What's after 50? 60, great job. After 60 comes 70. After 70 comes 80. After 90, oh, I said it already, 90. Who can tell me that last number? 100. Great job, guys. So now I want you guys to try on your own. Just give it your best shot. It's okay if you miss some. This is just practice. So I hope you guys got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And that is how you count by tens, my friends. Great job. So now I want you guys to just watch this video and enjoy it and learn how to count by tens with Jack Hartman.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's songs make your brain and body strong. Count by tens, exercise, build your body and your mind. Move it up, move it down. Count by tens right now. Stretch your arms up left and right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Squat your legs down and up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Count by tens, exercise, build your body and your mind. Move it up, move it down. Count by tens right now. Twist your body side to side. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Dinosaur stomps, big and strong. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Count by tens, exercise, build your body and your mind. Move it up, move it down. Count by tens right now. If you like this video, be sure to give.
Wow, that was great, friends. Wasn't that so exciting? Okay. So what did we learn today, guys? You're right, how to count by tens to 100. You guys did such a great job. So I have a challenge for you guys. I want you guys to go find someone and count by tens to 100. It could be your parents, guardians, siblings, even your stuffed animals, and your pets. I had a great, fun time learning with you guys today. Have a good day.